I want to show you what your math challenge is today. So this is going to be a little bit different. You're going to start with a lesson from Khan Academy. And then you're going to go back, and if you look in your classroom, there are some questions for you to answer if you finish this early. So let me first show you. I'm going to go to Khan Academy, and I'm going to log in. And you're going to click continue with Google. Now, I'm not going to click that because I have a different account that I'm going to use to show you. You click continue with Google. You already know how to log in though. We went over this. But I want to show you what it looks like when you have an assignment. So you can see, and this might be different. In my class, I have assignments. And you can see you boys should have 3 assignments. You're going to start with this first one and just work your way down. Okay, so to start, there's a short video to watch. You can see it's only 4 minutes and 23 seconds. So I want you to start by watching this. And then you can go to your next assignment, and there are some questions for you to do. So it says, like this one, and your questions might be the same, they might be different. It says, write a number that makes the equation true. 300s equals blank tens. And you need to think about, if I have 3 groups of 100, how many groups of 10 is that? If you get stuck and you're like, wait, what? We didn't talk about this. You're right, we haven't talked about this. That's why this is a challenge and an extra lesson. So you can watch a video or use a hint. So the video is just the first video. That's why you're starting with that video. Or get a hint to help you with solving it. Now, I know 300s equals 30 tens because I know that 100 equals 10 groups of 10. So if 10 groups of 10 equals 100, then that means 30 groups of 10 equals 300. Check. Got it right. And then I can go on to my next question. Blank hundreds equals 600 ones. So I think about this, and if I know my place value, I know this is the ones place, which so 0 ones, 0 tens, and I know 6 groups of 100. So I know that this is just 600s equals 600 ones. What? That was crazy. Oh wait, go through these questions, and then there's one more set of questions for you to do. You're going to answer all 4, and there's one more set of questions for you to do. Now, once you finish all 3 parts of the lesson on Khan Academy, then that's when I want you to go back to our classroom, and I have some number mystery questions for you to solve today. So, for example, one of my questions might say, I have 34 ones and 7 tens. Who am I? 34 ones and 7 tens. What I want you to do is draw a picture to prove it to me. So, for example, if I was going to draw 34 ones, woo, that's a lot of ones. So, it might take you a little while to draw some of these pictures, but drawing is one way to prove it to me. What you might do is I might think 34 ones. I was just practicing that, and I know that that's really 3 groups of 10 and 4 ones. Ooh. But if it helps you too, because sometimes then it's groups of 10, it might be more groups of 10. 34 ones, I could also draw it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 34 ones. And I just circled groups of 10 to make it super duper easy, quick. And what was the second part of that? And 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 tens plus 3 more groups of 10. Oh, that equals 10 groups of 10 and 4 ones. Oh, so the answer to that math riddle, I have 34 ones and 7 tens equals 104. All right. Well, I hope you have some fun with your math challenge this afternoon.